Hi guys, this is Sam from Unboxed. So this is basically a review of the Coreal mobile phone chest mount, where you can use this particular product to mount your phone on your chest and kind of record a first person perspective. And I will provide the link of this product in the description, and you can click on it to purchase it. As you can see, it is pretty amazing what you can do with it, and there's not a lot, and it's pretty stable. There's not a lot of shaking movement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos on the screen, and tap on the logo on the bottom right to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.